I'm going to ask them again that they should believe as their other ones believe.
Probably like Muslims, they wear long hijab and they dress well, modestly, with the fear of Allah. They say, these ones are fools. These ones don't do anything.
What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm Alima, and if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. And if you've not subscribed already, please click the red button down below and join the family. So in today's video, we are going to be continuing the vlog from my road trip to Ogun State. So you guys are going to see what is going to go down in FUNAAB here with my mom. So yeah, I hope you're excited. So let's get straight to the video. Hey guys, so today is the second day, and let's see how today treats us. The hostel is actually very quiet because students are not in session. So guys, our hostel is a postgraduate hostel. That's why it's a little bit fine like that. We'll try to give you guys the room tour, the hostel tour, so you guys can see what it looks like. And we are currently going to go to the lab to do some analysis that she wants to do. But then the light session has not been that good. They only brought lights yesterday, and for 1 hour or so I took it. I saw this deadly looking insect that can fly on me anytime. Came outside to receive a call, and I realized the view is so nice. How about I show you guys the other side of this area before I go back to the lab. Lol. In our university, my department is non-SA, like NUNSA, and this is not-SA. Very similar. Everywhere is silent because students are not in session, in case you are wondering. Wow, this place looks scary. Looks haunted. Nutrition. I like their school, but people call it advanced secondary school. It's looking like I was so lost because everywhere is just long hallways. Wow, look at this view. I have a lot of assignments and projects, presentations for school when we resume. So my head is not settled. I just started doing it. Like we have biochemistry. I started with biochemistry. So because it looks like the easiest. Anyhow, let me get back to work. Quick outfits of the day check. No, somebody's going. As I put my camera down, that's why I just saw Mama coming. So these are samples of the fish biscuits I shall be making. And you'll not even taste the fish in it.
Experiments to let people be putting fish powder in their food so that they will be able to maximize the benefits of protein and other nutrients, especially the free fatty acid.
You guys, look at their Senate building. Look at how big it is. Like way bigger than our own in Unilag.
Yeah, but your own is taller, it's longer.
This one is a workout on its own. I'm waiting for someone to come and tell me you can't film. You can't film. So you guys, we just went to, like you just saw from the last clip, we went to Senate building in FUNAAB. And then when I wanted to enter, because I was filming the entrance and stuff, but like I stopped filming as I was about to enter the building. There was not this one man that was like, hey, why are you filming? You filmed me, and I did not film him at all. I did not film him at all because I knew I stopped the video outside. So like I was just holding my camera inside. So it was like I filmed him, I did not collect consent, stuff, blah 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 blah. Things we YouTubers have to go through. If you're a YouTuber, you know very well that some people will come and be disturbing you for consent, which is true, is that right? Like I won't film you without your consent, normal. But then the way it was just like going about it was just tiring. But we went to Senate to confirm some payments that my mom made to our department. So now we are done, hopefully, for today. I think she might still want to go and meet our supervisor, so I'm not sure. But for today, we just want to get cold drink because it's very, very hot here. I don't know where the sun in Ogun State is hotter than the one in Lagos, but I just feel like it's so hot. So we want to get cold drink and go to the Debo mi lọ kámpù, èmi ń lọ sí Kade Simbi Ni mo ń lọ.
Okay.
Yes. We got Pepsi. The bread.
Fat. Yeah, when we get there. In fact, there's nothing as good as even if you are working with government, you have your own work. If you have your own work that you are doing, it's technically you have your own side hustle. If government, see the government are very sharing with it. It's not your business.
Yeah. Look at this reality. Yeah. Hello. You looked at me. My mom decided to bring me to her own school. Oh, so this is Kadesh. Really? Okay. So what's the meaning of Kadesh?
Agricultural development and environmental sustainability
Program. It's an international school. So you guys, I look very, very tired, but we are in Cadiz. That's our own, how do I put it? Our own school under FUNAAB. So Cadiz is like an international school. From the door, you can see the room. There are two beds. This is one bed and another, and then we have this like table, but then this is what the room looks like, and this is the wardrobe. It's kind of dark in this place, but like they have enough wardrobe. And then we have this little kitchen area because they don't have a kitchen. We have this beautiful view outside lol from our own side of the balcony. Isn't this nice? Like looking up to this for you, although it's not like Hawaii vibes, it's not like Dubai vibes, but like I still like the nature and everything. So this cow is on the road. How big they are. Look at this one in front of the cow. What are they looking for here? Is this one running? Wow. So you have to wait for them to pass. Look at this one. So cool.
Here we go.
Ogun State is a bush, man. Like, I feel like by the time I go back to Lagos, I'll have been black.
Salam alaikum.
This man wants to cut all the bitter leaf from the tree. We have a lot of hostels in this street. Like this building now is a hostel. This fine building too is another hostel. Like, look at it. How would this be an hostel? Even this one too is a hostel, like student hostel. So, like, basically these streets. But look at the view. Hey guys, so today is our third day here, and as you can see, we are leaving. It's kind of dark, so I just packed all our stuff inside the car. I'm waiting for my mom now. So although we still have to do she still has to do some things today, so we are going to wait for the driver after she's done, and the driver is going to take us to Lagos. I am actually like tired already, like I want to go home. Yes, so. Now I get why they don't have light here. They have solar panel, so their heart is at rest. You guys, I wanted to show you this stuff like drip with this Directorate of Research, Innovations and Partnerships. Are you kidding?
This dog. Oh, human being. Right there is a owner, big coco. They used to be around. So now that they are not around, it too is not around. Now look, he came there now to come and look.
So as you can see, as you saw, we just left Cadiz school. Showing to print some stuff. I'm tired, I'm stressed out, please. So now we came to the Senate building again today. She wants to verify some payments, and I am outside in the car eating our fish biscuits. The biscuit actually does not even taste like fish, surprisingly. Like, it's a kind of way to, the reason why she made biscuits was to show that you can add a good amount of protein inside pastries for people that don't eat fish like me, so you can get fish without feeling the taste or anything. So basically tastes like normal biscuits. Again, we're very free. Love it. guys, look at this cute sitting area. I like the shade. The hell. If you guys know what this thing is, let me know in the comment section. Why is it looking like all these Igbo cola nuts? I don't know. To Lagos, we have gotten home, and alhamdulillah. But look at my face, I look very, very tired, and I need to like settle down and put everything like settle down generally. So yeah, so we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, even though it's a little bit all over the place, but I hope you enjoyed the vlog. So for more vlogs like this, you guys should subscribe, join the family. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment. Make sure you comment that thing in your mind that you want to comment it. Don't come to my WhatsApp DM and be commenting. Comment in the comment section. I appreciate it more. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you and peace.